Short form content is the #1 most viewed content on the planet right now. And with the average attention span only being 8.25 seconds, it has never been more important to create high quality, high engaging, short form viral content. You know, people are generating thousands a month through Instagram and YouTube Shorts. You know, I have an Instagram network of over 500,000 followers. And, you know, I've seen firsthand how profitable this whole social media market is. So in today's video, I will show you how to create high quality content, also how the algorithm actually works, and how you can monetize your page. You know, you're gonna want to stick around for this one, especially for the AI animation part, because I've literally not seen one YouTuber talk about how to animate shorts in the way I'm going to teach you guys today. And you know, the best thing about this entire video is that everything in it is absolutely free, and the end product is still super high quality. So if you go ahead and enjoy this video, definitely make sure to subscribe because I make videos like this all the time. Okay, so step 1, you need to pick a niche. Most of you will already have a niche for your page, but for those of you that haven't started yet, this could be one of the most important steps for your Instagram account. You know, you're going to be making videos on this topic for a long time. You know, if this account turns out to be really profitable, this could be your full-time job for the next 2 to 5 years. And you want to make sure you pick a topic that you're genuinely interested in so you don't get burnt out further down the line. So in this video, I'm going to be creating a Stoic page. This is something that I've personally seen blow up recently. And you know, I'm actually interested in videos like this. I can't see myself getting bored because, you know what, it's motivational videos and it's also very engaging. So once you pick your niche, what you need to take into consideration is how the actual algorithm works. Now, you don't want to be making videos that are not going to appeal to a large audience or are not going to appeal to your niche, because if you do that, you're just not going to get anywhere with Instagram. You're not going to make any money with it. Now, I've been on Instagram for the past 3 years. I have literally generated millions and millions and millions of views on the platform. I kind of know what makes a viral post at this point. So the 3 main factors are watch time. You know, this is how long someone watches your content for. Engagement, this is if someone's liking the content, commenting on the content, and then shares. If are people sending this to their friends? Are people posting this on their Instagram stories? You know, if all these 3 things are really, you know, high and people are really engaging with the post, your post is going to go viral. Instagram will publish this out to the masses. At the end of the day, they want high quality posts on the explore page. So if you're producing these high quality posts, they're going to reward you with all the engagement. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to ChatGPT and, you know, ask it for some motivational quotes. This works for any single niche. Don't think you have to do motivation for this. You know, I'm just doing it because I'm generally interested in this. You know, if you was to do something like travel, you could ask ChatGPT the top 5 places to travel in Europe, the top 5 places to go in America, or something like that. You just need to apply this to your niche. So I've asked it for some simple motivational quotes, and as you can see, it's given us 5 simple ones here. But now I've actually gone a step further with this step, and you know, I've researched a bit more into the niche. I can see like a lot of viral posts are currently quoting a Greek philosopher called Marcus Aurelius. Now, he's very popular at the minute and his quotes seem to generate loads of likes, so his quotes are going to be the ones that I'm using for this video. So this is why, you know, doing a bit of research in your niche beforehand can be rewarding, because now I know what already is working in the niche. So now that we've got our quote, what we're going to do is throw it over to 11 Labs and generate an AI voice. Now, you guys, if you watched some of my videos before, you know I love 11 Labs. It is free and it generates you an AI voice, and it actually sounds realistic. You know, the fact that we've already got AI voices like this is crazy. Even Terminator couldn't generate AI voices like this. Okay, so I've just picked the standard settings. I've picked Adam and then I've clicked generate, and this is the voice that it goes with. So next we're going to head over to Leonardo. Now, Leonardo is a free AI image generator. Now, a lot of YouTube videos will try and, you know, promote other AI images that, you know, you have to pay for, subscriptions and stuff. Leonardo, you do not have to pay for. However, you only get 150 credits a day. So that means you can only generate a certain amount of images per day. But for this sort of stuff, you know, we're not going to be generating images on mass, so that isn't a problem here. So what you need to do is go down AI image generation, and then you want to actually click the Dream Shaper version 7 pack. This is a new pack that they've just released, and it makes the photos even more realistic than they already was. And what I'm going to do is ask it to generate a picture of a Stoic philosopher. Now, this is because this is in my niche, what I'm trying to do for this video. Now, if you guys want to do it for something that you're interested in, you know, you could be doing it for, you know, someone at the gym working out, or you could also do it for, you know, someone traveling on some mountains and hiking and stuff. It really can be applied to any single niche, and the AI image generation means that we own the actual content and we can monetize it. Okay, so now that we have the audio and the picture, what we need to do is step this up to the next level, because like I said, we want to make these posts go viral. We want to be creating these high quality videos, and we don't just want to have a picture on the screen with like a voiceover. We want to create something that people are actually going to get engaged with and stay on the video and like it and share it, so that we can create these viral posts. So this is where we animate the videos. Now, this is my secret method on how to animate videos. You know, I do not not see other YouTubers talking about this. You know, other YouTubers might talk about how to animate videos on Kyber and stuff, but you have to pay a monthly subscription on Kyber, and I've not really seen anyone talk about any free alternatives on how you can get around this hurdle. Now, I like to make my videos as accessible to everyone as possible. You know, this means I like to use programs that are free to use for everyone, which is why everything in this video up to this point has been free, and everything going forward is also going to be free. Now, I've done a lot of research to find out about these tools, so a like on this video would definitely be appreciated. So I'm going to show you 3 different ways on how you can animate these videos. Okay, so the first method is Leah Pixel. So what you want to do when you're on Leah Pixel, upload the videos that Leonardo has generated for us, and then as simple as that, like literally 2 seconds later, it's going to generate an immersive depth animation. Now you can even go one step further and edit the depth sliders, and you can also edit how long the animation length and style. And as you can see here, it looks pretty cool, and it adds that extra step where it doesn't just look like a boring 2D image, and then all you have to do is click share and export to your computer. Okay, so another way you can animate your pictures by using Gemno. Now this one is really cool. Basically, it will animate anything you want on the picture, and all you have to do is talk to it. So after you make your free account, there will be a page right here where you can chat with the AI. So all you have to do is upload the picture from Leonardo, and it will give you suggestions straight away on how it can animate this picture to bring it to life. Now, as you can see, the first suggestion it made, it just turned this picture into an oil painting, which is really cool. You know, it adds that extra field, but we want to actually make these pictures move, so I'm not too interested in that. The second picture, yeah, it looks like something out of a Bethesda game, but the last one is the coolest one by far. It actually animates the beard and it changes the picture. Now, just by asking a few more questions, we can get the background to change and I'll get the hair to move on the picture. All of these things bring the picture to life and will keep people engaged in the content and stop them from clicking off, which is gonna get us that viral reel. So the last way we're going to animate this art is by going onto CapCut. Now CapCut is another free software that I'm sure you've heard of by now if you've done any sort of video editing in the past. So this is really simple. Just drag the animations that we've already created on these other AI softwares onto CapCut, as well as the AI voice that we generated on 11 Labs. And as you can see, we kind of already have a sort of good looking video just by doing this. But you know, we're going to take this to the next level once again. We're going to click auto generated captions, which is going to create text on the screen from the voice without us even doing anything. It's just going to generate the text. You know, how cool is this? And you know, finally we can add animations through CapCut by clicking on animations and clicking on effects. And we can add an animation onto the start video, which kind of like zoom in, and you'll get people engaged straight away. So as soon as they scroll onto this video, they're going to be engaged, locked in, and hopefully they're going to watch the full thing. Okay, so after we've done all of this, as you can see, we've got a nice looking video. We can export this video now from CapCut, and we have made our final video, which looks a little something like this.
You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength.
Okay, so you've made this video and you know you're going to start making viral videos like this. Hopefully this is going to grow your page and you're going to start getting, you know, lots of followers, lots of engagement. How can you monetize this? So I'm going to give you a few examples of how some of my past theme pages and how some of my current theme pages are making some money. So one of the easiest ways is selling shoutouts. People are going to DM you on Instagram and going to be like, can I have a shout out? And these are usually people that are in your niche. So say for example you're in the workout fitness niche, people that have less followers than you are going to ask you for shout outs. It's up to you how you price these shout outs, but for example on one of my animal pages that has 200,000 followers, if someone asks me for a shout out on that page, you know, I'm charging anywhere from £30 to £50 per shout out just for one 24-hour story post. Person's actually wanting a feed post as well, that price is going to go up because that is worth a lot more money. You can also sell advertisements on your page, so companies will reach out to you once you start growing a following and they'll ask you, you know, can I promote this product on your page? Normally it's dropshipping companies and people that are trying to sell stuff online like e-commerce. And what you can do is just similar sort of thing, charge them a flat fee depending on your followers and how engaged your followers are on your page. And you know, you can easily start scaling this to earn some money as well. But one of the most successful things that work for me and that is actually consistent is affiliate marketing. I have a page that brings me in consistently £150 to £200 every single month through affiliate products. And the best thing about this whole thing is that I don't have to do any more work on it apart from update the website from time to time. You know, just by posting on my Instagram page and not even directly advertising, people click the link in my bio and they buy products from me. The way I've done this is the products that I promote are actually in the niche that my page is, so the followers that I have are actually interested in these products. So by me putting these affiliate links, becoming the middleman, I'm getting anywhere from 10 to 15% commission per person buying a product. And right now it's literally on autopilot because I've done all the hard work. You know, I'm just spitballing here, but you could even start a YouTube channel and upload these videos to YouTube Shorts and you could earn some money through YouTube AdSense. The point that I'm trying to make is there are loads of different ways that you can monetize these pages. All you have to do is actually get started and putting in that work. And as I say with all things like this, consistency is key. You might be thinking, oh, you know, this sounds really easy, why isn't everyone doing it? Well, because most people will watch this video and take no action. Most people will watch this video, they might take action for, you know, 1 week and quit the page. The way you're going to succeed in this business is if you actually watch this video, you take what I've said on board, and you actually go out and, you know, be consistent with this. If you're going to be consistent for the next 6 months, I guarantee you, if you follow all these steps, you're going to create a viral page. Now, I will be making a full Instagram masterclass video soon on my channel. You know, this is going to show everything from creating a page, making content on the page, how to monetize it, how to actually grow followers. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, make sure to subscribe, because I'm going to release this video for absolutely free. You know, the video is probably going to be like an hour long. It's going to be a full Instagram masterclass, but it's going to have everything you absolutely need to grow on Instagram. So yeah, anyways, I hope this video has been insightful for you all, and you know, I wish you the best of luck with all your pages.